just as I would be if power were mine. I wish the powerful soul to shine, for I would keep a lordly train, with arms and garments rich and plain, a bounteous captain proud in hall, and courtly toward one and all. I'd have the ladies in my sight, give freely with a hand so light, pursue the wars and tournaments, and find delight in compliments. That seems to me worth more, I say, than all the pillage of today, which I see all our barons crave. For if you're richer than the brave, your men with armor light and thin will gather knights to snatch and win. Or if they find the power to flee, they'll sooner run, it seems to me. This strips and lessons worth 2 fears, such is the custom of these years. A time when men could know a lover at the very show of lavish spending, gifts so grand, and handsome armor welcome bland. But now a man of pleasant speech with wealth can twist the crafts they teach. By wit or knowledge none can hold his worth unless his deeds unfold, to make it grow, to make it rise. Such is the law in my eyes. No man from courtesy would swerve. There was a time when men would serve with youthful joy and understanding fair. But now the first to take the pair of oxen and their drovers too is said to know what's best to do. Now look you if they tell the truth, from that same prophet so uncouth. They bear but sorry arms and dress, their gain is loss and nothing less.